Welcome to the journey through the mesmerizing scenery of Oman, a country known for its unique landscapes and rich culture. Nestled in the southeastern corner of the Arabian Peninsula, Oman is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Its geographical location gifts it with a diverse range of sceneries, each more breathtaking than the last. Imagine towering mountain ranges, their rugged peaks etched against the azure sky. Picture vast golden deserts stretching as far as the eye can see, their dunes rolling like waves in an ocean of sand. Visualize pristine beaches kissed by turquoise waters, their shores adorned with an array of vibrant marine life. And behold the lush green valleys, their verdant landscapes a stark contrast to the arid surroundings. Oman is a canvas painted with the diverse hues of nature, a symphony of visual delight that leaves an indelible mark on the hearts of those who witness it. So buckle up and get ready to explore the treasure trove of scenic beauty that Oman has to offer. First stop on our journey is the majestic mountain range of Oman. As we soar above the landscape, we come across the imposing Hajar Mountains, stretching across the northeastern part of Oman and extending as far as the eastern part of the United Arab Emirates. These mountains are the highest range in the eastern Arabian Peninsula, inviting the bravest adventurers to explore its rugged terrain. The crown jewel of this range is undoubtedly Jebel Shams, known as the Mountain of the Sun. Rising more than 3,000 meters above sea level, it is the highest peak in Oman. This titan of a mountain offers a view that can only be described as awe-inspiring, overlooking the vast canyon below, often referred to as the Grand Canyon of Arabia. But Jebel Shams is not just about the height, it's also about the journey. The trek to the top is a rewarding one, with the mountain paths offering stunning vistas at every turn. And it's not just the mountains themselves that captivate us, but also the life they harbor. The Hajar Mountains are home to a unique ecosystem, a testament to Oman's rich biodiversity. Amidst the rocky terrain, pockets of greenery spring to life, nurtured by the precious water from underground springs. This greenery in turn supports a variety of wildlife, from the Arabian tar, a type of wild goat indigenous to the region, to the vibrant bird life that fill the air with their melodious song. The mountains of Oman are also steeped in history. Hidden within their folds are villages that have stood the test of time, where traditional Omani culture thrives, untouched by the rush of modern life. As we explore these mountains, we are not just witnessing a stunning natural spectacle, but also stepping back in time, getting a glimpse of a way of life that has endured for centuries. So, whether you're an adventurer seeking the thrill of a mountain trek, a nature lover intrigued by unique ecosystems, or a history enthusiast keen on exploring traditional cultures, the Hajar Mountains have something for everyone. The mountains of Oman, a breathtaking spectacle indeed. From the cool mountaintops, we move to the warm embrace of Oman's expansive deserts. As we journey from the high peaks, a dramatic shift in scenery unfolds, revealing the mesmerizing beauty of Oman's deserts. The Wahiba Sands, or Sharqiya Sands as they're locally known, present an entirely different facet of Oman's natural allure. This seemingly endless expanse of golden-hued sand dunes stretches over an area of about 4,000 square miles, characterized by its ever-changing landscape, shaped by the winds. The desert's charm lies not only in its stunning vistas, but also in the unique experiences it offers. Imagine a tranquil evening under a star-studded sky, with the soft warm sand beneath you. The silence of the desert night broken only by the crackling of a campfire. This is desert camping in Oman, a must-do experience for any adventurer or peace seeker. Each dune in the Wahiba Sands tells a story of time and change, with undulating curves that rise and fall in a rhythmic dance, painting an artwork of shadows and light. The desert is not just a sea of sand, but a living, breathing entity that changes color with the passing of the day, from a soft blush at dawn to a fiery orange at sunset. And yet, amidst this seeming barrenness, life thrives. The desert is home to a variety of flora and fauna, a testament to nature's resilience, from the nimble Arabian oryx to the elusive desert fox, and from the hardy gaff tree to the delicate desert rose. Each living thing here has its unique adaptation for survival. Visiting the Wahiba Sands offers a chance to witness the Bedouin lifestyle, a nomadic people who have made this harsh environment their home for centuries. Their warm hospitality is as much a part of the desert experience as the sand dunes themselves. The charm of the desert, a testament to Oman's diverse landscape. A visit to Oman's deserts is not merely about seeing a place, it's about immersing oneself in an experience, a mood, a way of life. It's about understanding the allure of simplicity and the beauty of resilience. It's about discovering the charm of the desert. Next, we journey to the coastal areas, where the desert meets the sea. Picture in your mind an oasis of azure waters, where the golden sands of the desert give way to the inviting allure of the sea. This is the coastal beauty of Oman, where the rugged charm of the desert seamlessly merges with the serene tranquility of the ocean. Oman's coastline is a treasure trove of stunning beaches, each with its own unique allure. One such gem is Kurum Beach. Located in the heart of Muscat, Kurum Beach is the perfect blend of urban convenience and natural beauty. Its sandy shores are a popular spot for both locals and tourists, offering a respite from the city's hustle and bustle. And as the sun sets, the beach transforms into a vibrant hub, with the nearby cafes and restaurants buzzing with life. Just a stone's throw away from Kurum Beach is another coastal haven, Bandar Al Kiran. Nestled in a natural inlet, this beach is a sanctuary for marine life. Its crystal-clear waters are home to a spectacular array of fish and coral reefs, making it a paradise for snorkeling and diving enthusiasts. The calm waters also make it an ideal spot for a leisurely swim or a relaxing boat ride. But Oman's coastal beauty isn't just about its beaches. Its marine life is equally enchanting. From playful dolphins that can be spotted frolicking in the waters, to the majestic turtles that nest on the shores, Oman's coast is teeming with biodiversity. It's not uncommon for locals and tourists to embark on a boat tour, hoping to catch a glimpse of these magnificent creatures. The coastal beauty of Oman is a testament to the country's rich and diverse natural landscapes. From the sun-kissed beaches to the vibrant marine life, the coast offers something for everyone. Whether you're a beach bum, a wildlife enthusiast, or someone just looking for a quiet spot to unwind, the coastal areas of Oman are sure to leave you spellbound. The coastal beauty of Oman, a paradise for beach lovers. And finally, we venture into the green valleys of Oman, a sight to behold. Our journey takes us to the southern region of the country, to a place called Salalah. Now, Salalah is not just another city, it is a city that transforms with the seasons. For most of the year, it's like any other part of Oman, with its golden sands and sun-baked landscape. But come the Kharif season, between June and September, it undergoes a magical transformation. The arid desert gives way to verdant greenery as the monsoon rains breathe life into the parched earth. It's as if Mother Nature herself has picked up a paintbrush and painted the town green. Imagine walking through a valley surrounded by lush vegetation. The air is crisp and clean, carrying with it the sweet scent of rain-soaked earth. The sound of water rushing through the wadis or riverbeds fills your ears. It's a symphony of nature that captivates your senses. But it's not just the stunning scenery that makes Salalah special, it's also the unique flora and fauna that call this place home. Exotic birds of different hues and sizes flit through the trees, their melodious calls echoing through the valley. Butterflies with their delicate wings add a splash of color to the landscape. And if you're lucky, you might even spot the elusive Arabian leopard, one of the rarest big cats in the world. And let's not forget the frankincense trees. These are the trees that produce the gold of Salalah, the fragrant resin used in perfumes and incense. The scent of frankincense wafts through the air, adding an ethereal quality to the surroundings. As we stroll through the green valleys, we can't help but be in awe of the beauty and diversity of this region. Every turn of the path reveals a new spectacle, a fresh delight for the senses. It's a place where time seems to stand still, where you can lose yourself in the splendor of nature. The green valleys, a refreshing end to our journey through Oman's scenic beauty. And that wraps up our journey through Oman's diverse and stunning scenery. From the majestic mountains where the sun paints a new masterpiece every dawn, to the vast deserts with its endless dunes and starlit skies. We've explored the azure coastal beauty that sweeps across the edge of the Arabian Sea, and ventured through the verdant valleys, a stark contrast to the arid surroundings. Each of these places offers a unique experience, a story waiting to be discovered, and memories waiting to be made. Oman is a treasure trove of natural beauty, a canvas of breathtaking landscapes. So why wait? Pack your bags and set off on an adventure to explore these mesmerizing places yourself. So where would you like us to take you next? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to join us on more such journeys. Until then, safe travels.